Henry McClure live. 823 Quincy. There's Mike Morris's sign. He's in on all these deals downtown. If you run into Mike Morris, ask him why the county appraiser the appraisal on this is such. You know the hotel over there by the jail and the mental health facility that's completely gutted? I mean, nada, nothing. This property right here, it's only appraised $25,000 more. That you know, right now the Shawnee County, go look at the website. They don't have comparables for all the properties, the commercial properties. But think about it. This property is only valued $25,000 more than the vacant building over there that was a hotel that's gutted on the other side of the interstate by the jail. Might have to do a CORA request on this one. You don't have to be Donald Trump to see the discrepancy. That's a doozy.